students, now let's look at question number 7 of page number 245, exercise 13.1. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. And the bracket it is given that note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. Yeah, base is not considered. So question number 7. It's a very important question, students. Tent question for the board exam. It has asked several times. So here in the question is given a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top, isn't it? So we will consider a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. This is the shape of a tent, isn't it? And the dimensions are given that if the height of the cylindrical part is what? Height of the cylinder is 2.1. Height it is what? Cylindrical part it is given h equal to 2.1. And diameter is given what? 4 meter, isn't it? So radius will be equal to 2. And also it's also given that the slant height of the top, that is L is given, that is 2.8 meter, isn't it? L is given, that is 2.8 meter. Okay, now definitely to find the first we have to find the total cost of the canvas. For that, first we need to find how much canvas is required, isn't it? So we will find the total surface area of the tent. Okay, so total surface area of the tent will be equal to CSA of the cone plus CSA of cylinder, isn't it? So the question is given height equal to 2.1, radius equal to 2, and slant height that is 2.8 meters, isn't it? So TSA of tent will be equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, isn't it? So we know CSA of cylinder that is 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone that is pi RL, isn't it? Now we can take pi outside, that is equal to 2 RH plus RL. That will be equal to what? Pi into 2 into radius, it is what? 2 into height, it is 2.1 plus radius again it is 2. Radius of cone and cylinder will be the same. Okay, so radius into height it is pi RL. So here it is not height, it is L. So slant height it is what? L is 2.8. Hope it is clear. Okay, so that is equal to what? Pi into, first we will calculate this, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2.8, it will be what? 4 into 2.1, that is 4, 8.4 plus 2 into 2.8, 2 into 28, it is 56. So 2.8 will be equal to what? 5.6. 2 times 2.8 it is 5.6. Now we will add this to 8.4 plus 5.6 will give us 6 plus 8, it will be 14. So that is what? 14 pi. Okay, so that is equal to what? 14 into 22 by 7. So that is what? 7 into 2 is 14. So that is what? 2 into 22, that is 44 meters square of canvas. 44 meters square is the total surface area of the tent, isn't it? Now the question is how much canvas is required for making the tent. For 1 meter square the cost is 500 rupees, 500, isn't it? So it's given that for 1 meter square the cost is rupees 500. So cost of canvas required will be equal to what? 500 into 44. Okay, 44 into 5, that is what? Rupees. This much rupees is required to make the tent. Hope it is clear. Please take your notes, students.